Hello. What are the benefits in buying YouTube views? I have come across a lot of people asking this question, and I figured out that when you ask this, either you are just curious or you want to boost your YouTube views. To answer your question, there are a lot of benefits you can get from buying YouTube views. Here are some of them, but of course not limited to: 1. Large number of users. 2. Improved stats. 3. Kickstart the success you've been longing for. 4. It will aid in accelerating the natural and organic growth of your channels and videos. 5. It provides you the social license of acceptability. 6. It enhances your search rank. 7. It allows you to prioritize things that are more important. 8. You become more reputable instantly. Conclusion: you should purchase from a reliable service provider only, since this would greatly affect the outcome of your buying of YouTube views.